Hi, I'm Alicia from Jobstoday.world. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a job request profile on our platform. Don't you worry, we will guide you through the whole process. It is super easy. On Jobstoday.world, click on Job Request to start the registration process. There are 3 easy ways of registering: email, Facebook or Google. If you want to register with your email, enter your email address, password, first name, last name. Enter the job title and in the field I'm looking for a job, please enter some description about the kind of job that you're looking for. Proceed by clicking on Create Account. If you register either with Google or Facebook, your information will be automatically completed. Also, if you are already registered on our page, it will be much easier. You only have to add your job title and in the field I am looking for a job, enter some description about the kind of job that you're looking for. After registering, you will proceed to the payment page. You can pay safely with any credit card or PayPal. And that's it! After a successful payment, your profile will be published and shared with millions of employers around the world. You can also complete your profile with additional information. It is not mandatory, but take my word for it. It will make your profile look much more professional. Here you will be able to add more information about you, such as your picture, skills, desired salary, links to your social media and websites, and any attachments. Click Save and your profile will look so good and professional. Also, if you wish, you can skip it for now and complete this information later. You can create as many job requests as you wish, for different kinds of jobs that you would like to be contacted for. Creating your job request with Jobstoday.world is that easy. And that's it! You've created your first job request. Now sit back and get ready to be contacted by top employers around the world.